Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best AC line disconnect tool is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone working on air conditioning systems. Whether you're a seasoned HVAC technician or a DIY enthusiast, safely disconnecting power is paramount. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of AC line disconnect tools, exploring their features, benefits, and why they're a must-have for anyone dealing with AC units. Number 5. Fuel Line Disconnect Tool Set, Master Quick Disconnect. This tool set makes separating automotive hoses and fuel lines a breeze. It simplifies the push-on and pull-off action, saving you time and effort. The set includes various sizes to handle almost all fuel lines, air conditioning lines, and more. It's a versatile solution for your automotive needs. With sizes ranging from 1/4 to 7/8, this kit covers the most common SAE sizes. You'll have the right tool for the job. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, each tool is designed for strength and longevity. Even the carrying case is built to last. The tools are neatly organized in a blow-molded case for easy storage. This design prevents misplacing your tools between uses. If you have any questions about the product, please feel free to contact us. We are here to help. What we like. This tool set offers a wide range of sizes, ensuring compatibility with various automotive systems. Its high-quality aluminum alloy construction guarantees durability and longevity. If you're a professional mechanic or a serious DIY enthusiast working on diverse vehicles, you should consider this tool set for its comprehensive functionality and ease of use. What people say. Has pretty much everything you need to work on any car or truck's fuel system. I've used this around 20 times and has saved me a ton of money. Decided to buy this kit and compare the tools to the big name brand ones, and they're the exact same. Worth the price having everything in one kit. Number 4. JoyTube 22 PCS Quick Disconnect Tool Kit. Introducing the JoyTube Disconnect Tool Set. This set is designed for disconnecting fuel lines, AC hoses, and more. It's a versatile tool for various automotive applications. Made from aluminum alloy and plastic steel, this kit is built to last. You can rely on it for tough jobs and long-term use. It's a durable addition to any toolbox. This tool set works with most fuel lines, AC lines, and heater hoses. It features popular sizes for easy push-on and pull-off action. It's designed for convenience. The offset design makes it easier to access hard-to-reach areas. It includes various sizes to fit different needs. This feature enhances its usability. The set comes in a heavy-duty plastic carrying case. This case is lightweight and easy to store. It keeps everything organized and accessible. What we like. Made with durable aluminum alloy and plastic steel, this kit is built to last. The offset design makes it easier to access hard-to-reach areas. If you often work in tight spaces or need a reliable tool set for various automotive tasks, it's a great choice. What people say. There is a fixture in this kit for every size on my 2001 Chevy truck. This set had just the right tool to get the fuel line off of the old fuel filter so I could install the new one. Seems to have about any type of line release tool that I'm likely to come across, and at a good price. Number 3. Lisle 37000 AC and Fuel Line Disconnect Tool Set. This tool set makes disconnecting air conditioning and fuel lines simple. It's designed to work efficiently, saving you time and effort on the job. The set is compatible with Ford, Chrysler, and GM vehicles. It's a versatile tool that you can rely on for different automotive tasks. It works on both air conditioning lines and quick connect fuel lines. This tool simplifies the process of working with various automotive systems. The tools are designed for use in confined spaces. This feature makes it easier to access and disconnect lines in challenging areas. The set includes 6 different sizes: 5/16, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, and 7/8. These sizes cover a wide range of applications, making it a comprehensive solution. What we like. This tool set is designed for ease of use, even in confined spaces. It includes a wide range of sizes to fit various applications. If you're looking for a simple and effective solution for disconnecting air conditioning and fuel lines, this one is a great option. What people say. The set comes with a variety of disconnect tools, all designed to work seamlessly with different fuel and AC lines. Each tool is clearly labeled and fits perfectly into place, making the job of disconnecting lines quick and hassle-free. The tools slide on easily and grip the connection securely, ensuring a smooth, clean disconnect without damaging the lines. Number 2. Orion Motor Tech 25 PC Quick Disconnect Tool Set. This tool set is a complete kit for separating automotive AC hoses and fuel lines. It's suitable for a wide range of domestic vehicles, including Ford, Chevy, and Dodge. It ensures you have everything you need for the job. These tools cover almost every type of fuel line, air conditioning line, radiator hose, and heater hose. The set includes various sizes to handle most SAE requirements. It's designed to be versatile for different applications. The toolkit features color-coded sizing for easy identification and use. It works with both quick detach and spring lock connections. This makes the process straightforward and efficient. This set also includes custom-purpose tools for late-model GM trucks and Fords with automatic transmissions. It even covers the special tubing in 4.0 LV6 Rangers and Explorers. This ensures it can handle unique vehicle requirements. Made of anodized aluminum, steel, and plastic, this kit is built tough. It comes with a blow-molded case for easy organization, storage, and transport. This ensures the tools are protected and easy to access. What we like. This kit provides a complete solution for separating AC hoses and fuel lines. It covers a wide range of vehicles and applications. If you need a versatile and durable tool set for various automotive projects, this is the one to choose. What people say. Had everything I needed to get the job done. Works like it should, priced just right, quality pieces. Quality is just as they say, very nice set. Number 1. 7 PCS AC Fuel Line Disconnect Tool Set. This 7-piece set is designed to quickly remove fittings from fuel lines, heater lines, and AC cooling lines. It makes the job much easier. This tool set is a must-have for any mechanic. The tool set is compatible with most Ford, GM, Chrysler, and Mazda models. It also works on other vehicles with automatic transmission lines within the specified sizes. It's a versatile tool for various car repairs. The compact size and angled design make it easy to grasp and access hard-to-reach areas. Simply place the notch against the fuel line to release the lock. It's a simple and effective solution. The set includes tools in 7 different sizes, 1 4-inch, 5 16-inch, 3 8-inch, 1 2-inch, 5 8-inch, 3 4-inch, and 7 8-inch. This ensures you have the right tool for the job. It provides a comprehensive range for various applications. Each tool is made of hard plastic for strength and durability. This ensures the tools can withstand regular use. You can rely on it for long-term performance. What we like. This tool set is compatible with most Ford, GM, Chrysler, and Mazda models. The compact size and angled design make it easy to access hard-to-reach areas. If you are looking for a tool set that is easy to use and compatible with a wide range of vehicles, it's a great choice. What people say. Used these to switch out a fuel filter on my Ford Ranger. They worked well, but they were difficult to use since they are plastic. I was able to use this tool to replace fuel filter on my Ford Expedition. Works like they should. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.